January 23rd, Golden Bear, Section 6 of the men's 300 meter.
Set. Cosmos Ramirez and Garrett McKay, Philip Rockerby. Cosmos Ramirez, Garrett McKay looking to mount a challenge. Philip Rockerby is closing ground, but we're running out of real estate. 60 meters to the finish line. Taking over the lead, Garrett McKay, Costas Ramirez, Philip Rockerby.